Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the Power Automate series, and in this video we'll learn how we can make scheduled workflows, meaning how you can schedule a workflow so that it can run on a particular day or on a particular interval of time. In SharePoint on premises, we used to create timer jobs, or we used to create console jobs, and we schedule it through Windows Scheduler. So those two options were available in on premises. How we can schedule flows through Power Automate we'll learn today. So I have a SharePoint list which has these three items: email and title, and on a particular interval of time I need to send emails to these three persons for a reminder so that they can do a payment to a particular person. So through flow I'll schedule a reminder email which will trigger and will send mail to all these persons on a particular day of time, suppose on Sunday every week. So I can go to Power Automate and my flows, or I can go from create flows also, new flows, and then schedule cloud flows. Now I can give a name of the flow. Suppose I can give test send Sunday mail, and then you can define this starting when it will start. Now suppose I trigger it will start on next Sunday at 10 a.m. It will, on every Sunday 10 a.m. it will send. What would be the frequency? So I want it to be running every week, and on which day I don't want every day, I need only on Sunday, so I'll deselect it now on every Sunday. If you want to run it on, suppose on Sunday and suppose on Saturday also, so you can select this also. So on Saturday and Sunday it will run. So like this you can select, I want it on Sunday only, so it will run on Sunday. Now create flows. Now this is the recurrence that's created. Now I'll create a new step and get the list item. Now this time I'll get all the items so that I can send mail to everyone. So get items. So here is SharePoint get items. Now I'll select the SharePoint list, which is my test sp1, and then the SharePoint list name is test list 1. This is the list, test sp list, test list 1. So this is my list. Now I don't want to do anything, any filtration and all. I only want to send mail, so I'll send v3 mails. So v3 mails, and here I will get this emails here. This is a people and group field, and I'll pull email of this introvert 1, introvert 2 and introvert 3. So email IDs I'll select, so I can select 2, and then I can select email. So in the email column select the emails. This is the email column, and it will select the emails of these persons. As it is in loop, so it will send in loop. And then I'll subject, please do the payment, and in body I'll write testing, please do the payment. That's all, nothing I'll do. Flow checker, it is giving me warning that I can use OData filters also. In this I have only 3 items, so I'll ignore this and I'll save it. Now once it is saved, I can test it also. So how I can test it, I'll run it and it will send mail to all these 3 persons. So I'll go and run, and it is asking me to run the flow. I'll run the flow, and your flow is run. Now you can see it is running and it has succeeded. It has sent me mail also. So I am logged in as this test 1. So testing, please do the payment, and this was to IR, like these 3 persons will receive mail. Introvert reflection, introvert 1 and introvert 2. So introvert reflection has received the email, and I can check for introvert Now here also you can see this is intro testing, please do the payment, and this is in test 2. Similarly, test 1 has also received the email. So in this way you can create a scheduled flow. So you can do lot many other activities as well, like if you want to edit a particular field, or you want to suppose send documents to a particular group of people, or you want to convert suppose Word document to a PDF document, or any activity which you want to schedule it that run on a particular interval time, you can use this type of workflows. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much.